Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dark and Darker error code 21. The error reads, "An error has occurred." This error occurs when players try to launch the game using the Blacksmith launcher. The game works fine through Epic Games and Steam, but when using Blacksmith triggers the error. According to our research, this error may happen due to system conflicts, external USB devices, or issues with the Tavern process. The error has also been reported to occur on Steam Deck, especially after a recent patch. First, try closing all open programs and removing any additional external USB devices like Xbox controllers or USB dongles. Do not remove your mouse, keyboard or Bluetooth receiver. Then shut down your PC. Then wait until all lights and fans turn off and wait for 30 seconds to a minute. Then turn your PC back on and open the launcher, then try loading the game. If the error still comes, then open Task Manager and close the process named Tavern Worker. Once it's closed, start the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try running the game as an administrator. Simply right-click on the launcher and select Run as Administrator. Then check if the game launches without the error. If you still see the error, then try verifying the game files. And then try launching the game again to check for the error. If the error still comes and you are playing on Steam Deck and facing this issue, try turning off any programs like Proton and see if this resolves the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then uninstall Dark and Darker. Then go to the Program Data folder by typing cd Program Data in the file search bar. Then look for the Tavern folder and delete it. Once done, reinstall the game and check if the issue is resolved. At last, if nothing helps, then download the game through Steam first, then install the Blacksmith launcher. If you still get the error, shut down your PC and unplug it for a few minutes. When you turn the system back on, open Task Manager and close both the Tavern.exe and Tavernworkshop.exe processes before they trigger the error. After that, try launching the game again. If prompted for permission, click Allow. So try this and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.